Hello, hello girls! Today I'm going to take you into my kitchen and I'm going to make a cup of espresso coffee with my new coffee machine. So come along. Alrighty, here we go. We have no lights. I usually keep them up here now. And I'm taking off the water tank and I'll rinse it. Let's see. Minimum, maximum. Okay. We'll do almost maximum. Now we'll put it back. Okay. It comes with this little presser and scooper. So I'm using espresso coffee, Cafe Bustelo, decaffeinated. I don't drink caffeinated. Ooh, and it doesn't need an opener. Ooh. Oh, smells beautiful. So, I think this is what we do. Put it in here. 1 scoop is enough. In fact, maybe too much. And then press it. You always press espresso. Now, okay, we'll put this, we'll put a glass off. Okay. Now we're going to do the steamer. Okay, I figured out how to do the frothing of the milk. So I bought one of these little metal pitchers. I'm going to pour some cold milk. Okay, the lights are steady. And now I'll press that, the frother. And you have to keep it angled and not too deep and not too shallow. You have to put it in the right spot for it to froth up. You hear it? Let's see. It takes practice, but you can get it frothy. It's such a cute machine. Oh, and the milk is steaming hot. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you to CASABREWS for sending me the espresso machine. I'll put the links down below. It's on sale now. I'm having fun with it, and I thought I'd show you what it was like to have it and make a little cafe. So thank you for being here for me. Remember, I'm here for you. Have a beautiful week, and I love you all. And if you were here, I'd make you a cup of coffee. So, you turn it on. Okay.